Hey everybody, I'm JSmoothSalsa, otherwise known as Jimmy, and I'm excited to announce my new and updated channel. I'm going to be sharing out different projects that I'm going to be covering on it, one of which is real product reviews. One of the things I've seen that's lacking on a lot of YouTube channels is long-term product reviews. For me, it's like I want to share products that I've actually used for months and months. A lot of those products I'm going to be reviewing could be related to those who are in my dance community and they might find it useful. The other thing I want to be sharing on my YouTube channel is drone video. I love to take pictures of food and share them online, especially on my Instagram channel. Short films. I've always wanted to delve into the cinematography and the idea of directing a short film. And I really want to be able to explore my abilities as a film artist and be able to try to match or maybe improve on what I'm seeing. I love sharing jokes, whether it's a joke that I put together or it's a joke that someone shared with me. Probably just drop a joke here and there in some of my videos. The funniest joke I had so far on Facebook was, I've heard that Argentina is starting to get a little colder. In fact, it's bordering on Chile. If you think you have a joke that is worth sharing, definitely share it in the comments below or send me a direct message about that. I'm really excited about this channel. Look me up. You can find me on YouTube under JSmoothSalsa or find me on Facebook. It's also under JSmoothSalsa. I'm glad you're here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.